Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to save as PDF. So we have this sample document, and if you want to save as into PDF, you can go to file menu, click on save as, and then I will choose in the document. Now you can set the names in it, like I will set into example PDF. Now you can click on save as type. You can change into the PDF extension file. After it, you can click save to save this document into PDF. Okay, that's it for a basic Microsoft Word tutorial how to save as to PDF. If you have any question about tutorial, you can comment below this video.